Let's create these sculptural stairs in 3ds Max. Start with a simple rectangle to define one step. Now, apply an array modifier. Increase the number of copies along the y-axis or x-axis, depending on your setup. Adjust as needed. Then drag the steps downward. And in the transform section, enable incremental Z. Set the step height. 5 units should work well. Now copy the stair group and move it backward. From the copied group, delete the first 3 steps to create a gap. Now select the 2 matching edge loops and use the bridge tool to connect them. Do the same for the opposite side. Tip: press semicolon to repeat the last action. If bridge doesn't work again, go back to the menu and run it manually. Next, select the side edges of the stairs. Then shift plus drag them downward on the Z-axis to create a side shell. Select the vertices and scale them down on Z to taper the form. Now select the sharp corners. Apply a chamfer to smooth them. Then apply a shell modifier to give thickness and reinforce the structure. Make any final tweaks and your sculptural stair is done. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.